not here.
Where are you? Welcome back to another video. My name is Pamela if you're new here. Today I wanted to bring you guys along with me because it is about time that I have a girls' night. I actually haven't had a girls' night in so long and I really need it really bad. So I just got out the shower and I wanted to kind of vlog tonight, take you guys with me, but I also kind of wanted to do a little get ready with me today because I never go anywhere, you guys, and when I do, I go all out. Okay, so pretty much I'm gonna do my hair, my makeup, and I'm gonna get together a little outfit that I think is super cute and you guys may like it as well. So yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe down below and hit the bell so you don't miss the next upload. Also like this video for more. So I think I'm gonna meet up with the girls tonight and we're gonna go to dinner, and something real cute and simple. It's during the week right now, so we're not gonna go too crazy, but I want to show you guys my outfit. I feel like that's the first thing I always look for when I go out. I have to figure out what I'm gonna wear because that takes the longest, honestly. So I actually bought a really cute outfit like a few weeks ago. I just never wore it because I'm literally a homebody, you guys. I never go anywhere. So I decided I wanted to treat myself tonight and actually whip out some of the outfits I never wear. So it's been a while since I like got dressed to go out. So this is a little jumpsuit from Naked Wardrobe. I actually love this so much. It's off the shoulder outfits are like my vibe, and it's all black, which is the only color I wear, honestly. It's a super long, so I feel like it's gonna keep me warm because it is pretty cold. But we are just going to dinner, something super simple and cute. So we are going to put on some cute heels. I have these because these are just so easy to wear. They're honestly like, they're so comfortable, but also they match everything. So I'm just gonna pair it with this. And then I want to show you guys something that's going to top off the whole outfit and bring it all together. So the last part of the outfit, I'm going to actually wear this bag. It's so cute. I love bags that are like small and cute like this because I feel like you can just pull it off with any outfit, and it's just like a cute everyday bag too. It actually matches the shoes I'm going to wear tonight, so that's why I wanted to wear this one. But look how cute this is, you guys. This is a bag by Teddy Blake that actually gifted this to me, and I love it so much because it's such great quality. It's actually made of real Italian leather, so you're getting a great quality. It's actually super durable as well. So it actually comes with a strap so you can wear it long or just keep it short, and it's super cute. You can wear it with almost any outfit. There's actually so many luxury brands that charge you so much for a bag like this, and the good thing about Teddy Blake is that they actually keep very good quality. They pay attention to details, and all of their handbag designs are actually from luxury designers, except that they don't upcharge you $1,000 or $2,000 just for the brand name. So you're getting like a really good quality purses for a more affordable price. I mean, it's not going to be your cheapest option, but it's more of like that middle ground between luxury and everyday bags. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I know that there's so many brands like this out there now, so it's kind of hard to tell which ones are actually good. So I just wanted to share with you guys what you can get for a really good price. I know that a lot of influencers or content creators, you know, switch out their handbags like all the time with every single outfit. So if you can like spend less to get the same look, why not? And you can like get as many as you want. They have so many colors, so many cute designs. You guys need to check it out on their website. So I just wanted to show you guys this handbag up close and personal because I genuinely feel like it's such great quality. It is made up of premium Italian leather, so you are going to get that real leather smell, but it's also designed to last you such a long time. So each Teddy Blake bag is characterized by high quality construction, attention to detail, and imaginative design. So you are going to get the shape and durability using the same materials as luxury brands, except they never compromise on the quality. This makes it super easy to offer designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high-end luxury houses, and removing the $1,000 to $2,000 added on top of the handbag cost just for the label or brand name. And if you don't see the bag that you like yet, you can actually subscribe to them and find out about all their new releases and collections every single month. So if you guys are interested in purchasing your own Teddy Blake bag, you can actually get up to 60% off of their website. And also you can use my discount code TBPamela30 for an extra $30 off. So yeah, if you guys want to check out Teddy Blake, I will have some links down below in the description box, and comment down below on what you think. Before I'm late, I have to actually start getting ready. So I think I'm going to start off with my makeup first and then move along to the hair. So I'm starting off by going in with this LA Girl brow pomade. I really like it because it doesn't make my brows look too harsh, but it is thick enough to make my eyebrows pretty dark. I want to go for a darker look today just because I am going to have a smoky eye, and I really just like this pomade. I have skincare on my face already, and I like to go in with this before I do my foundation just because I feel like it lays on the skin very seamlessly. So I'm just going in, filling in the sparse areas. I'm not really reshaping my brows at all. I'm just making sure it's all even and very, very defined. Next, I'm going in with the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. You guys know I love this. I use this in every single video. I will have everything linked down below as well in case you guys want to get the same color that I have, but I like using this for my brows and all over my face. This is probably the best concealer I ever use, you guys. If you guys have any other recommendations on concealers that are kind of like this one, because I feel bad that I keep using the same one over and over again, let me know down below in the comments. But I'm just cleaning up my brows with this, and I'm also using this as an eyeshadow base. So I'm kind of dragging it down on my eyelids as well and just pretty much making everything all evened out. So now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty setting powder. I really, really love this. You guys have probably seen this in my other video as well. I am going to set my brows with this because it actually makes my brows look so skin-like, especially with the concealer sitting on top. So I just like to press this into the brows, and it also gives me a very smooth base so that I can actually blend my makeup super seamlessly. Now I'm going in with the same concealer and just concealing my under eyes a little bit. I like to do this under my foundation just because it looks way more natural, but it also gives me a lot of coverage as well. So once everything is blended out, I'm going to use two type of tinted moisturizers. One's by Fenty, one is by NARS. I like to mix them together because it honestly gives me the perfect coverage without using too much product. And it's also my exact skin tone when I use both together. So I'm just dotting this all over my face, and then I'm going to go in and blend it out. And you guys will see how beautiful my skin looks with this combination. And it lasts all night, you guys. So if you guys don't like to put too much foundation on, but you still want a good amount of coverage and still look like your skin, this is the combination that you need to do on your skin. Now I'm going in with the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the color Hazelnut. I like to go in, and actually I learned this on TikTok. If you put this underneath the eyeshadow that you're about to put on, especially if it's a brown eyeshadow, it's gonna make your brown eyeshadow pop so much more. So I really like this because it actually evens out the brown color without making it look patchy. So I'm just using a little bit of this and putting it along my lash line and just blending it upwards. We're not gonna blend it too far up because I do want to have a very airbrush look towards the brow, so you kind of want that area to be lighter and have like a gradient effect. Now I'm going in with the California Love palette by ColourPop. All these colors in here are all the colors I like to use on a daily basis, so I really like this palette, and everything is so pigmented, you guys. You guys will see how good these eyeshadows are. So I'm just taking the brown color in this palette and just patting it along my lash line, and I'm really coating it so that everything is all even and at the intensity I want it to be. And then I'm going to take a yellow tone and just really blend out the edges. So I really spend a lot of time blending this out, but on camera it looks kind of orange because I did put the concealer underneath the shadow, but I honestly don't mind it at all because it looks super blended when we're all finished. So now I'm going in with this peach shade in the palette, and I'm going to just blend out the very top of the transition color. So when I do my eyeshadows, I like to work from the darkest to the lightest color instead of going from blending out the crease color to the lid back up to the brow bone. I like to work in order, if that makes sense. I feel like I get a really good blend when I do it that way. So I'm just taking the peach color and just really blending out right below my brow. So this is going to help make everything look mattified and smooth, but it's also going to blend out the edges of the transition color as well. Now I'm just going in with this CoverGirl concealer just to clean up the outer edge. I really like a sharp edge, but I like it to stay put, and this concealer actually dries down very quickly, but it really stays where you put it, so that's why I like to use it for that. I'm just going to take a concealer sponge and just blend that out in an angle so my eyes look very lifted. Now I'm just setting my under eyes and my smile lines with the Huda Beauty setting powder. I really love it. It makes my skin look so smooth. Now I'm taking the same Born This Way concealer to highlight my nose. I really like this because it also contours it as well. Then I'm going in with some bronzer. This is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I really just love it because it's not too cool tone and it's not too orangey. So I'm just going in and contouring my cheeks a little bit, and then I will be contouring my forehead as well. And once everything is blended, I like to go in with some blush. This is the CoverGirl Classic Blush. I've been using these same products for weeks, you guys, only because I like what I like. But if you guys have anything you guys want to recommend or want me to try, just let me know down below. So I just use this blush right on the top of my cheekbone and then try to blend it under my eye as well. And it gives me this perfect color. It also highlights my skin a little bit so I don't have to add any highlight. Now I'm going in with the dark brown from the palette again, and I'm going to line the outer corners of my under eyes just to blend the shadow with the bottom of my lash line. I don't want to put too much because I don't want my eyes to look super heavy because I do have really thick lashes on. So I like to drag this a little bit on my lash line and leave the inner corners open. And now I'm just setting my face with some setting spray, and then I'm going in with a lip color. This is by ColourPop as well. This is BFF2, my favorite nude color for my lips because I feel like it matches my skin tone so well. So I'm just lining my lips. I don't overline or anything like that. I just like to have some type of color on my lips to kind of even them out a little bit. And I'm just going to take an e.l.f. clear gloss. I really like this combo just because it's the perfect nude for my skin tone. So now moving on to the hair, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I actually cut my hair not too long ago. I put so many layers in it so that it's more fluffy and bouncy, and I just love it so much. So I was gonna wear it down like this and just part it to the side, but I realized how frizzy my hair was in person. So I wanted to kind of do something a little bit more put together. So I'm going to take two products here for frizz. I like to use the Frizz Ease and one by Garnier Fructis. I like to mix them together together and just rake it through my hair before I curl it. This just really helps to tame my frizz and just keep my hair put together throughout the night. But I like to put this in my hair first and then let my hair dry just a little bit, and then I go in and start styling it. So now I'm going to part my hair, and I like to just take out a very big chunk of my bangs and just separate it for the rest of my hair. And then I like to just smooth out the parts that I'm going to put up. So I think I'm going in for a half up, half down hairstyle that I always love to do. This is one of my classic looks that I love all the time. So I just smooth everything out. I add a little bit of product while I'm smoothing everything out, and then I like to go in and part my hair right behind my ears all the way up in a very, very high angle. I really like my ponytails to look super high, but I also want to keep a lot of the volume at the base of my hair as well. So I'm just parting it out and smoothing it as I go, and then I'm going to go in and take a smoothing brush and some of the product we used earlier and kind of just smooth out all of my flyaways and baby hairs and stuff like that. So once everything is all smooth and ready to go, I just like to secure it with the hair tie. And once it's secured and it's at the height that you want it to be at, I just like to grab a piece of hair from the back and wrap it around the ponytail holder so that it looks way more polished and super cute. So now that everything is in place, I'm going to start curling my hair. And for this, I like using this curling wand by Bedhead. It's from Ulta and it's super, super affordable. But I like this because it actually gives me the perfect wave to my hair. And for me, I really like those really bouncy, very soft waves. So this gives me that look for sure. And I like it because it does tame my frizz as well. I know some curling wands actually make my frizz worse, but this one right here is actually so good for coarse hair. So now I'm just gonna curl my hair. I like to do all the front pieces away from my face, and then I do 1 or 2 pieces in the back towards my face, just so that there's more definition and the curls aren't sticking together. But for me, I really like to take super big pieces and wrap them around the curling wand and just try to keep it on the wand as long as I can. And that is really gonna give you the super big, bouncy, soft look. So now that everything is all curled, I like to go in with the comb and just take the ends of my hair and kind of tease it upwards. We're not doing this too much. It's more of like a 1, 2, 3 movement. I don't know how to explain this, but it's just to basically make your hair look super volumized and soft without getting rid of the curls. So I just like to run it through my hair and kind of just adjust it to how big I want it to be. So for the last step of this hairstyle, I like to just go in and lay my baby hairs. I really like to lay one right next to my part so everything looks really put together. I like to take some edge control and a toothbrush and just keep smoothing it out until I'm happy with it. And then this is the final look.
Special and she reckless. MB, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do.